How to go live on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on how to guide. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the exact process of going live on TikTok. Now before you go live on TikTok, there is one criteria that you need to match. That is, you need to have 1,000 followers on your account. If you don't have 1,000 followers, you cannot go live on TikTok. If you do have 1,000 followers, then all you do is tap on the plus icon on the bottom, and on the bottom you just swipe left, and besides templates you'll have an option of live. This account does not have 1,000 followers, so it does not show me an option of live. If you have 1,000 followers, you'll see a live option right here, and once you tap on it, your live on TikTok will start. So that's the process of going live on TikTok. Give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the new video. Thanks for watching.